everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Chioma Tech TV. I am Chioma, and today we will continue with our new segment, In the Kitchen with Chioma. Today I'll be making salad, but not just the regular salad we buy from the store, but very yummy salad with lots of ingredients. I bet you will like it. One of the main benefits of making your own salad is that you put only your favorite veggies or ingredients and leave out the ones you don't like. But guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that you never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Please, just hit that red subscribe button. I really need your help and support. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients for my salad are: number 1, cabbage. I'll be using the green and the purple cabbage. Number 2, Roman lettuce. I'll be cutting this up and putting it in my salad. Number 3, cucumbers. I'll be shredding this up and cutting it and putting it into my salad. Number 4, tomatoes. I love tomatoes, not the little ones, but the big red juicy ones. Number 5, carrots. I'll be shredding this up and putting it in my salad. Number 6, green peas. I'll be cutting this up and boiling it for just 1 minute because I don't want to eat peas that weren't boiled. Yuck. Number 7, shredded cheese. You don't have to put this, but I love shredded cheese in my salad. And because it's my salad, so I'm going to put it. Number 8, avocados. Again, you don't have to put this, but I just love avocados. Number 9, eggs. I'll be boiling this and putting it in my salad. Number 10, salad dressing. I love this salad dressing. It's my favorite, so I'm going to use it to enjoy my salad. And number 11, salt. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, Chioma, why would you use salt? Well, I'm going to be using this to wash my veggies. It's good, very good to wash your veggies with salt and water. Guys, there will be a lot of cutting veggies in this episode, so please make sure you have parental supervision. First, we'll start by boiling the eggs. I'll put 2 or 3 eggs in the pot and boil them. They should be ready by the time we're done with the salad. Second, we'll wash the veggies. I'll start with the cabbage. I'll be washing the purple cabbage and the green cabbage with salt and water. Remember guys, always use a big bowl to wash your veggies. Put a little bit of salt in the bowl to wash your veggies. Next, we're going to be washing the Roman lettuce, the tomatoes, and the cucumber. Don't forget the salt. Remember to always wash your veggies with salt and water. Next, I'm going to be washing the green beans, the carrots, and the avocados. Don't forget the salt. Okay guys, this is the hard part of the job, cutting all the veggies. First, I'll be cutting the green peas into small pieces before I boil it. I'll be cutting it with my cooking scissors. Next, guys, I'll be cutting the tomatoes. Yummy, juicy tomatoes. Okay, guys, next I'll be slicing the cabbage. I'll start with the purple one. Beautiful cabbage. Remember to cut it the way you cut the tomatoes. Okay, guys. Next, I'll be cutting the green cabbage. You can taste a little bit of it. It smells yummy and it tastes very good. Next, I'm going to be slicing the cucumbers. My mom peeled off the backs of this one, and I'm going to be slicing it into very small pieces. And this one, I'm going to be slicing into very small pieces as well. Remember to cut it the same way you cut the tomatoes. Now it's time to slice the other cucumber into tiny circular pieces. Remember to cut it the same way you cut the tomatoes, except circular. Guys, we're going to be cutting the Roman lettuce next. Okay, next I'm going to be cutting the carrots. I'll also be boiling these for 1 minute. Oops. There we go. Finally, guys, we're going to be cutting the avocados, but I'm not really good at cutting avocados, so I'm going to let my mom cut them for me. Now all the ingredients are ready. It's time to make the salad. We have the salad dressing, the lettuce, the purple cabbage, the cucumbers, the green cabbage, another cucumber, potatoes, some tomatoes, some cheese, Now it's time to make the salad. First we'll add the lettuce. Next, we'll add the red cabbage. Then next, we're going to add the green cabbage. Next, we're going to add the cucumbers. Then add the green peas. Now add the tomatoes. Guys, this is already so beautiful. Let's add the shredded carrots. Okay, let's add the shredded cheese. Lastly, we decorated the top with the cucumbers, eggs, and avocados. Mmm, yummy salad. It looks so beautiful. remember to enjoy your favorite salad dressing. Okay, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that I never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Bye, guys. Mwah.